massive political fight that has erupted after the Congress pulled out a tape which shows Uma Bharti criticizing Narendra Modi. And after the BJP ridiculed the move, saying that the Congress's dirty trick department is at work, the Samajwadi Party and the NCP on their part have come out to shield the Congress.
4:30 p.m. on Thursday and the fifth phase of polling underway, it seemed like just another Congress news conference. But suddenly the Congress spokesperson Abhishek Manu Singhvi then released this video of Uma Bharti.
गुजरात एक fear stricken state हो गया है, भय से भरा हुआ। ये नरेंद्र मोदी की देन है। मैं ऐसा मानती हूँ कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी विकास पुरुष नहीं है, विनाश पुरुष हैं। और उन्होंने गुजरात का विनाश किया है। और वो जो जीडीपी का दावा कर रहे हैं, वो फर्जी है। वो जो बीपीएल का दावा कर रहे हैं कि बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन लोगों की संख्या यहाँ घटी है, मैं नरेंद्र मोदी को कहूंगी कि मेरे साथ वो एक गांव में चले जहाँ बीपीएल की लिस्ट बनी है, और मैं उनको बताऊंगी कि वो लिस्ट कितनी फर्जी है।
Uma Bharti's uninhibited onslaught on Narendra Modi, forcing the BJP on the defensive, with the Jhansi candidate attempting a desperate clarification, stating that her criticism of the Gujarat Chief Minister was crucial to her political fortunes at a time when she wasn't part of the BJP.
ये वीडियो 2007 का है, तब मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से बाहर थी। आज तो नरेंद्र मोदी का दूसरा जन्म हो चुका। एक जन्म उनकी मां की कोख से हुआ और दूसरा जन्म उनका भारत माता की कोख से हुआ है।
But the BJP going into a damage control, calling the Congress's latest move a blatant attempt to divert the key issues in this election.
The tape is irrelevant today because people are not interested or bothered with who said what in 47, 62, 92, 7 years ago, 2007. What people are bothered today with 2014 election is who can get employment, who can pull up the economy, who can deliver on women's safety.
But the Congress mincing no words and even taking the matter to the Election Commission.
Are the contents in the CD wrong? Are they denying that Uma Bharti did not say all these things? So are you telling that she is talking untruths at that time? What is this? What is she talking right now?
That she said 3 years ago.
Yes.
MJ Akbar said that Narendra Modi should be given Nishan-e-Pakistan. All these people are now being celebrated in the BJP. This shows that how desperate they are.
Congress's sudden tape war is not surprising, as Uma herself has launched vicious attack on the Gandhis.
रॉबर्ट वाड्रा जिस प्रकार से घिर गए हैं और जो स्थितियां उनकी बनी हुई हैं, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत दिन देर नहीं है जब गांधी परिवार के जमाई बाबू जेल में होंगे। ये आप पक्का मानिए, एनडीए की सरकार आएगी तो सोनिया जी के जमाई बाबू जेल के अंदर जरूर होंगे।
Coming on the back of a series of vicious attacks on the Congress itself.
I think it's very important to know whether a person is in control of oneself or is subject to excessive drinking of alcohol.
As the dirty tricks departments of each party gets activated, it's a no-holds-barred phase in the last leg of 2014 fight. Bureau Report Times Now.